So now we're going to remove a power supply. So first, to start off, you identify which parts are connected to the power supply. So we've got your 4-pin auxiliary, your your floppy, your 4-pin Molex, and your other 4-pin Molex. So first of all, let's remove these screws first since it snaps in anyways. The front screws, this first one.
No, we do make one.
And there's our second one. So here we go. So now we pull out our 4-pin auxiliary. This one is wrapped around the heatsink in the back, so you gotta be very careful not to bend the leads. A little clever. There we go. So just put that on the side. So now we're P1. Because this computer hasn't been running, I'm not using a ground strap, which you should be. So now we're removing the floppy. So it all should just pull right out. Sometimes you gotta wiggle. And now the 4-pin Molex. It's wiggly side to side.
Always wiggly.
Let's get annoying. This one.
That's why it's so much better like SATA.
Yeah. Just slides in. Alright, and that's it.